You know how sequels often disappoint? Well, here's one sequel that promises to surprise us all. GST 2.0. And trust me, this one isn't just paperwork and percentages. It is a real shift that could change how we do business and how we as consumers experience daily life. Now let me take you straight into what's new. The GST Council under Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman has completely simplified the old, confusing 4-tier system into just 3 easy slabs. Think about it. Only 3 buckets now. 5% for essential and merit goods, 18% for most goods and services, and 40%, yes, 40% for luxury and sin items like tobacco, gaming, and high-end cars. Sounds cleaner, right? But what does this mean for you and me? Let's break it down. Healthcare first. Life-saving drugs, health insurance, and life insurance. 0 GST. Over-the-counter medicines and medical kits, just 5%. That's a big relief for families. Everyday essentials, milk, paneer, your regular breads, absolutely tax-free. And those daily use items like shampoo, toothbrushes, and hair oil, they have dropped down to 5%. Imagine the difference on your monthly bills. Cars with engines up to 1200cc, components and white goods like ACs, fridges, washing machines, and TVs, all under the standard 18% slab. Simple, predictable, and easier to plan for. And all of this have been applied since 22nd of September 2025. So if you're a business, it's time to get your ERP systems updated, check your supply chains, and most importantly, pass on these benefits to your customers because that's where the trust is built. But the story doesn't stop there. For exporters, GST 2.0 is almost like a breath of fresh air. From 1st of November 2025, 90% of refund claims will be provisionally sanctioned. No more endless waiting for your money to come back. This means smoother cash flows and faster business cycles. Even refunds stuck in the inverted duty structure, they'll get the same 90% provisional sanction. And here's something service exporters will love. If you are providing marketing or sourcing services to a client abroad, the place of supply is no longer India. It's wherever your client is. That means your services now count as exports, so you can export without GST under a letter of undertaking and even claim refunds on your inputs. That's huge, right? So when you step back and look at the bigger picture, GST 2.0 is not just tax reform. It's about trust, transparency, and making business in India smoother, fairer, and more competitive globally. And this time, GST really does live up to its original name, the good and simple tax. At Rödl Partner, our colleagues are right beside you, helping you analyze, optimize, and make the most of every change GST has to offer.